Hey guys, after a very long hiatus with Fortnightly FREY, I've decided to come back and make another one. I take a lot of breaks with like vlogging because it can be very stressful for someone like me. So yeah, basically what I've been up to is just been like moving house. I've moved back in with my parents for a variety of reasons, but I'll explain that in another video. And I've just pretty much been working like every day. So a lot of you probably don't know, I actually have like a part-time job apart from YouTube because YouTube doesn't bring in a lot of revenue for me at the moment. So yeah, I've just been like focusing on that, focusing on publishing my book, and yeah, I'm feeling really good at the minute. But yeah, this week is going to be such a beautiful week. I've taken a week off work, almost, and this afternoon I'm going down south, and then in a couple of days I'm going to Rottnest with my friends. I find it so hard to do gratitude lists when I'm so incredibly filled with love, because it's just everything. I can't put it into words, you know? Hello, I'm back from camping now. I had the most amazing time. My camera has been dead a few days and I can't find the charger, so I'm filming on my iPhone, but I am just about to finish. Well, we'll just do some touch-ups of my self-portrait and dinner.
That looks like a hippie Cluedo murder weapon. That candlestick. That's the
Freya with the moon candlestick in the living room.
Because
Greeks knew about them, the faces of mortal women, but their hair is legend. Was this the real location of Eden? Were these the vanished descendants of Eve? There were 7 of us, men with no hope, only courage.
Like she works, looks like she works on.
Okay. Yeah.
Not any part here. I demand the vote. Cause baby, you gotta know, I am a goddess worth worship. So get down on your knees.
I am loved. I am courageous. I am a bringer of calming and positive energy wherever I go. I am able to heal others. I am divinely connected.
Today is like the literal hottest day my entire life. So it's like 8 AM and I'm quickly going to the beach. So it is a Leo full moon / lunar eclipse tonight.
Oh, don't come at me with that type of insanity. You know that's that shit I don't need. Sometimes I feel like you don't understand me, but I don't got regrets. Simply living for what is next. I'm sorry if I don't hit that text. You know I've been in my own dimension. In my own dimension. My own time and my own space, yeah. And my own life and my own place, yeah. You're not invited, you're not invited. Don't look at me, I don't mean that negatively. Focus on your life and your dreams, and I promise you will find peace. I can't get this off of my mind, think about it all the damn time. And I just need you to understand, I've been chilling in my own dimension. In my own dimension. My own time and my own space, yeah. And my own life and my own place, yeah. You're not invited. Sorry, you're not invited. Bye, bye, da, bye, bye. My own time and my own space, yeah. And my own life and my own place, yeah.
I want to see my back. Yeah, take
It looks so pretty.
Other people are born. And they're all you. Only you can only experience it one at a time.
Everybody is I. You all know you are you. And wheresoever beings exist throughout all galaxies, it doesn't make any difference. You are all of them. And when they come into being, that's you coming into being. You know that very well.
Was a stranger to you before you saw the way she spoke through my lungs. The liquid white kissing my highlights pink and pale. She was a stranger before you saw her phases shifting like my temperament. My new moon softness, my fragile eyes, shifting in the shadows. My full moon fierceness, making shapes at midnight by the ocean, and how I pulled the tide to catch at your toes. Yes, La Luna was a stranger to you before you fell in love with her light in me. Before I untied your blindfold and whispered, doesn't she look beautiful tonight?
Moon's now a waning moon, and like, I'm feeling this so intensely. Like, the waning moon is all about releasing patterns that don't serve you. The full moon is about the fucking stark realization of what's not helping you. And the waning moon is actually letting it fucking go. I feel so liberated. I feel more free than I've felt in so fucking long. Tonight I felt human connection for the first time in so long. I have been closed off. I've been closed off to every kind of human connection that's out there. I've been actively rejecting everything that used to make me happy and build me up, feeling like we're all one. That's such a beautiful thing. And you know what? I've just never felt so free in my entire life. I feel like we've all just done this huge collective shift, and now we're all feeling like we're on a different